Repulsor wire winding machine breaks through the challenge of high current and high precision transformer wire winding. In the transformer manufacturing industry, the winding process of high precision and high current coils directly affects product performance. Traditional wire winding equipment often faces problems such as uneven wire arrangement, uneven tension, and low efficiency when winding multiple strands of wires in parallel, leading to uneven interturn capacitance, measurement errors, local overheating, and insufficient mechanical stability. The targeted toroidal coil winding machine developed by Repsol has completely overcome this bottleneck with its industry-leading technology. The Repsol toroidal winding machine adopts a multi-wire parallel toroidal winding mechanism and a precision wire arrangement system to ensure that 5 1.0mm wires are closely attached and evenly layered, eliminating cross-winding. The combination of its high-precision interpolation and adaptive winding algorithm perfectly adapts to high tubular core structures, achieving flat winding of the entire layer and significantly improving the electrical performance and mechanical strength of the coil. In addition, the Repsol winding machine is specially optimized for the transformer industry, supporting thick wire diameters and multi-strand parallel winding, which significantly reduces high-frequency loss and temperature rise and extends product life. Repsol works with you to achieve mutual benefit.